sleep of talk.
That's not serious. The way it's man funny. What's funny? This Nigeria, anything where you do now, you guys add another work, join them. My neighbor now shower now runs get too. If you no catch online, you catch offline. My guy when they do Yahoo, he dey thief too. If you no catch online, you catch offline. You guys dey creative.
Some people go tell you, I no get money, I get big blockers. It's not my blockers. Blockers when no get money na Dido. Our fathers, na normal style our fathers do. See what our fathers do. Normal missionary style. They don't old now. See the way our fathers say the waka. For normal missionary style, you see the way our parents say the waka. With what we do with our ways. If we don't old, if you just say one.
Sexual intercourse is very expensive in Lagos, man. At the 10 years, say how much for a night? He say 150,000 for natural resources given to us by nature. Now my pig don't stand, though your own just flat. God. Now I tell the guys, say anywhere I come, now come. I left that wicked farm city. I go to Total, celebrate Greece. Baba, Sangote do boys. Baba, Total girls, very customer friendly. DGM, I go Total. I ask the girls, say how much for a night? Say 30K, but they do promo 25. Say nice. Bro, with accommodation, that girl, now for my house. I tell the woman, say, let's go. And she senior me, and they fuck with respect. Mama, God. When you sleep with an older woman, you understand sexual transaction. We don't sleep with the woman. In the morning, I pay her 25 back. She said she give me one small infection. I said, don't bother yourself. I use 20K to cure her. 45,000, I remember 105. I put her for Bitcoin. It rise. Sense.
Before anybody go get stroke before, you must reach 60 or 70 before you get stroke. Youth of these days, 40, 30 will not get stroke because of sex. And you know, say, if we dey sex, now because of all those things we dey take for our generation, that means you see 25 years old boy go get stroke. All these drugs what they take for sex. And you know, so when you dey sex, if you want come, now this leg you dey shake. And at the same vein where sperm they follow come, now stroke they follow come. So as they do like this now, this leg they weak they go. Before you know one morning you wake up, this leg no move again. That be stroke now.
Yeah, they spray. I know they send money go village. Who be you? Who are you? M.O.P. Puss. You don't finish. Baba, they come quick. Throw bundle, not they spray this thing. I pack up from Sangote, I go Elaje, movement. I reach there. DJ, my neighbor now shall celebrate grace. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for my good. Yo, I dey wake up, I shall they call me fine boy, you don't shop. Grace.
You as a man, you want to go sleep with woman. You reach where the woman dey. That's a baby, I want head. You don't give the girl head, give her head. He reached out for you to sleep with the girl now. The girl say, "May you go wear condom." What do you want, prevent? If first when you don't drink 50 liters. So you know that they say children they connected to their mother breast. That's why anybody, if they do engagement, and they see some people, they go do engagement. Their girl no go get breast. They are say yes, and they do engagement. If you marry, if they say you hold breast, they pray for your children. What do you hold? Breast is life, oh. If you know you love breast, let me say, I love breast. And you want to use breast to play? I said my second son. Now they are telling me say my second son. Now me resemble. See breast. See, some people when they go born children, they carry their children go say, I want my children to go to the best university. Listen to me. What you go look out for when you born your pikin, especially now boy. If you want me to know disgrace for future, look out for what he carry. That's what you work on that before education. It's a ration before education. That's what me. When I born my pikin, I don't be listening to my pikin now. The pikin don't resemble me. Now one day when my wife called the buffer, I just see everywhere here. I said, this is the bone of man and the flesh of my flesh. Now get be man. That's how those people when they do sex tape, this, sex tape. Now because you carry small thing, I make they call it sex tape. If you carry big thing, if your thing big, you sleep with person, the video go viral. Not be sex tape, now video drop.
See, after all, we study engineering, he dey choose kit, Rufus, say na runs boy. Engineer we no fit near engine. But this Lagos, they lie. Even freedom way, traffic day. Why do they call am freedom way?
How man go carry a fellow man? I don't understand. Woman to woman, they explainable. Girl and girl. For example, these two beautiful ladies, if they are two, they do lesbianism, is they explainable? You're going to hear something like, ouch, oh, Lizzie, ouch, Lizzie, ouch, Lizzie, put your hand inside, oh, suck it, ouch. It is sweet for ear, are they like? How man and man go to do homo? Imagine DJ Odiho now. Imagine DJ Odiho. And this my chairman na joke, I call. And this my chairman, imagine say they want to do homo. Imagine say now this my chairman now na woman. This Odiho na man. This my chairman now with him black face, kodo, ingo turn yash, hair, ajin, aquara, everything, ingo just turn am. This one la go from back, conde na kind. How man want to give man soundtrack? How man normally if you carry girl, she gonna say, oh my God, fuck me hard. Oh, how man want take the do am? You gonna have to like, oh boy, take a miss, oh boy, you go with me, oh boy, Jiriama, you get me on my hot touch, boy, you get me on my Jesus. How?
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.